Magandang araw ng Martes, April 13, 2021. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro, bumabati ng isang mapagpalang araw. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Ginagawa ko po itong stock market report araw-araw at nagsimula po ako noong August, noong nakaraang taon. Nire-report ko rin po ang latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at most active stocks. At kung gusto niyo po yung content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want me reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang balita po natin ay tungkol sa Moderna vaccine at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE today, April 13, 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, from the Inquirer.net, Galvez, 194,000 doses of Moderna's COVID-19 shots seen arriving in May. The Philippines will most likely receive 194,000 doses of Moderna COVID-19 vaccines in May, vaccine czar Carlito Galvez Jr. said Tuesday. It is expected to arrive 194,000 most likely coming this May, Galvez said when asked in an interview over ABS-CBN news channel about the arrival of the Moderna COVID-19 shots. Galvez said it is up to the National Immunization Technical Advisory Group which priority group will receive these jabs. The private sector agrees they will follow the WHO SAGE or World Health Organization Strategic Advisory Group of experts and also the DOH NITAG prioritization, Galvez said. The government and the private sector have secured 20 million doses of Moderna COVID-19 vaccines. Under their tripartite agreement, the Philippine government secured 13 million doses of Moderna vaccines, while the private sector ordered 7 million doses for its workers. Meanwhile, the Food and Drug Administration said Moderna will likely to submit its application for an emergency use authorization for its COVID-19 vaccine this week. So darating pa lang yung emergency use ng Moderna vaccines. May I share with you the article that I saw, and this is a screenshot of that article. Just a moment. Let me put it up. Yan. Okay, the Moderna vaccine is runs on the RNA virus or yung messenger RNA. It is you need 2 shots of this. It's 95% effective, and it is stored on an average freezer. So the cost per dose is about $33. So you need 2 doses for that. On the other hand, yung AstraZeneca, which we have here, uses viral vector virus, which is a modified virus. You need 2 shots, and this is 62 to 90% effective. You also use the regular refrigerator storage, and this is just cheaper, no? Mura siya, about $2 to $4. On the other hand, the Pfizer Biotech, which is made jointly by the US and Germany, runs on the messenger RNA. You need 2 jabs, but its efficacy rate is 95%, but you need a special freezer because the storage is at -70 centigrade. Ang kanyang cost is about $20. So those are the 3 vaccines which I'd like to share with you. But later on, when I complete my research on the vaccine, sasama din po natin yung Johnson & Johnson at saka yung Novavax. So let's now get on with what happened with the Philippine Stock Exchange today. Yan, the PSEI lost 60.85 points, that's 0.93%. And if you'll put up our indicators, the sentiment is actually bearish since this is the third red candlestick from last Friday. The bearish candlestick started last Friday from 3 successive green. And the RSI is at 40.82, which is also bearish. The market summary showed 134 companies declined, 64 companies advanced, whilst 50 remained unchanged. The all-share index also declined at 0.86%, which is in the red. Actually, the total volume is 1.93 billion, valued at 6.10 billion. And total trades is just 110,000. So, napaka-konti nung kanyang trades. The sectoral index also showed a decline. So, only the services showed a green result at 0.30%. The decliners was led by the industrials at 1.97% down. As for the most active stocks, we will be reviewing the top 10. Ali, URC, ACEN, ICT, BDO, MBT, SM, DITO, MPI, and BPI. So, simulan na po natin sa Ali. So, successive declines tong si Ali. Mukhang bumabagsak pa rin si Ali, and the next support level would be here at the next support level is here at 32. So, nasa 33.30 siya because it has breached the previous support level at 33 or 34. No? It breached the 34 level. So, bumababa siya, and the next level that we are to consider would be 32. But however, the stock is already very cheap. In fact, the RSI is already at 29.95. It is already oversold. So, now is the time to buy the stocks. Kasi napaka-cheap ng stocks. Pero, tignan nyo yung sentiment, ano? Walang bumibili. Natatakot bumili. In fact, huwag kayo matakot. Ngayon, dapat kayo bumili because the prices are rock bottom. Okay, after Ali, URC. Mahuhusay na stocks to mga index stocks itong dinidiscuss natin. Ayan, bumagsak si URC. After several days of moving upwards, and there was a breakout here, now there is a breakdown. So URC is now bearish. Actually, it is bearish to sideways with the RSI at 46.88. So if we will consider the next support level, actually mababa yung next support level niya. Nasa 122. But 131 is already very cheap. Tapos kung titingnan mo, kung gusto nyo malaman yung resistance level, nasa 142 yung URC. So yung earnings report niya, let's see. Okay, annual income is 11.62 billion, down 14.93% from last year. That's the news on URC. Let's see if there are news. Okay, annual report. So, after URC, ACEN. Yan, ACEN, nag-profit taking today. It had 4.79 million net selling from the foreign institutions. And resistance is here at 8 pesos. Nasa 8 pesos yung resistance level niya, and it went down today, and it's testing the support level at let's put it at EMA 50 at 7 pesos. Yun yung support level. In general, it's moving sideways. And then ICT. Okay, ICT had a green candlestick today. up 1 peso 80 centavos or 1.44%. In general, it is moving sideways. So that's why if we will be drawing a Darvas box, yan lang siya gumagalaw since the beginning of March, with the resistance at 128.60 and the support at 121. Okay? Then after ICT, BDO. BDO barely gumagalaw ito. Yan, no? Nagkaroon siya ng green candlestick tapos binawi today, but support is holding at 100. 101 to 100. So RSI is at 42, which is bearish, and it has been this way for quite some time since, let's check. Support level has been holding since November. Ito yung support level niya since November 20. So I think it has built a support here on the 100 and the 101. It will take a major news item, a negative news item, which would bring it down again to 90 and the 80 levels. So tingin ko dyan very solid yung kanyang support at 100 to 101. And then MBT. Another good stock. Pero it's very low. It has been hovering on support. Ito yung support niya. Nasa 44. 40 yung support. And it's still in the support area. Kasi the next level that we can consider, nasa 43. No, malapit na rin. Actually, this is the area of support. And the next lower support would be here at 40.70. 40.60 to 40.70. So it's bearish like the other stocks. And then SM. Okay, SM is also bearish. It's a red candlestick. And support also is here at 949. And it has been holding that support since March 22. And that support level is the lowest since November or October 30. That's the lowest since October 30, yung support na 944. So it's bearish to sideways ang kanyang movement. Dito. Okay, dito is, lackluster yung trading ngayon. And it's sideways movement pa rin ang dito, with RSI at 42. So if we will draw a trend line, ito yung trend line ni dito ganyan siya. Tapos yung kanyang resistance, isang area lang siya, yan, no? Hindi ko ma-draw yung disjoint channel pero ganyan yung movement niya, no? Parang trapezoid na panipis ng panipis with resistance at 1150. And then after dito, MPI. MPI had a recovery today from two successive red candlestick. The previous day was an engulfing candlestick. So the RSI is, neutral at 51. So in general, it's still moving sideways. And if we see another candlestick which is higher than our three main indicators, the EMA 20, 50, and 100, we could say that the trend may have changed. In the meantime, the nearest, let's place support at the EMA 20 at 390 to 391. Yan yung nearest support ni MPI, with the resistance here at 410 to 411. Then finally, BPI. Wow, BPI. Bumaba siya, 8150. Pero alam nyo, just like the other stocks, it's just market sentiment. No? Kasi Yan, kung Darvas box ang idodraw natin, ganyan siya. Ganyan lang siya. Nasa 85.50 to 85.70 yung kanyang resistance at 80.50 to 80.70 yung kanyang support. So, dyan lang siya naglalaro. But BPI is a good stock and it is the first bank established in the Philippines. So, that's BPI. Yan po ang ating stock market report ngayong araw, April 13, 2021. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Ito po si Benji Chadoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. God bless you all. Stay safe and see you again in our next episode. Bye for now.